You've just had an awesome time in New York, but it's time to head back to the airport. You're flying out of JFK. But you're one of these people that don't like sitting around and waiting at the airport. Or you're one of these people that love plane spotting and aviation. If either of those is true to you, we have got a suggestion. The TWA Hotel and their rooftop pool with views of the runway at the airport. The whole of the hotel captures the 60s nostalgic vibe, but the cars and the camper van outside really add those extra touches. These two red tunnels connect the accommodation wings and also join to Airport Terminal 5. It's upstairs that you find what we really came for though. Up here you'll not only find the rooftop pool, but also the Alpine Bar, which does a fantastic range of cocktails. Now it's worth noting that whilst the cocktails were possibly on the more expensive side, they were very strong and definitely not watered down. They have a vast selection, and although I didn't fancy anything on the menu, I asked if they were able to make a sex on the beach, and they made me the strongest one I've ever had. And also, of course, we paid extra for the souvenir cups at $4 each. The rooftop pool's open to non-residents, and we booked through a website called resortpass.com. Now whilst the prices on there are currently sitting at £39 per person, we paid just under $20 because we went out of season. We actually went in March. Considering we went in March and it was only 8 degrees outside, you can see the steam pouring off of the pool. It is like being in a hot bath and it is gorgeous. The whole experience was very hassle-free, as you can leave your luggage in the room that is locked by the pool. Overall, we found the whole experience very relaxing, and also, given that we had the pool to ourselves, it was quite romantic. If you liked our video and want other New York ideas, tips and tricks, then why not subscribe to our channel